How to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then here you'll see the option labeled as do not disturb. So there you can just tap on it. And now here in this section, to enable the do not disturb mode, you can just toggle on this do not disturb options. And now here to disable it, you can just toggle it off. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable Do Not Disturb on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.